Still vacuuming by hand in 2025? We tested the best robot vacuums under $300 right in real homes to see which ones actually clean, not just wander around. Let's roll through the picks that prove you don't need premium prices for a clean floor. ILIFE V5s Plus robot vacuum and mop combo. This 2-in-1 unit vacuums and mops, making it a versatile choice for hard floors and low carpets. It supports Wi-Fi, Alexa app, and remote control, so you can schedule cleanings or switch modes easily. The mop function uses a water tank and microfiber cloth, which is great for light spills and dust. It's especially effective at picking up pet hair, and its compact design helps it reach tight spaces. Dual cleaning modes and smart controls make it a multitasking champ for pet owners and apartment dwellers. Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max. This ultra-slim vacuum stands just 2.85 inches tall, making it perfect for cleaning under beds, sofas, and low-clearance furniture. It uses Boost IQ technology, which automatically increases suction power when it detects tougher messes, like transitioning from hardwood to carpet. The quiet motor keeps noise levels low, about as loud as a microwave, and its 100-minute runtime is ideal for small to medium-sized homes. It's best suited for hard floors and medium-pile carpets, and it returns to its dock to recharge when the battery runs low. It's compact, quiet, and surprisingly powerful, perfect for daily dust, crumbs, and pet hair without disturbing your space. Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum. This model features a tri-brush system, a combo of side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface roller to tackle dirt on carpets, tiles, and hardwood floors. It runs for up to 120 minutes, giving it solid coverage for larger rooms. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control it via the Shark Clean app or use Alexa voice commands to start or stop cleaning. It navigates using sensors rather than mapping, so it moves in a semi-random pattern but still covers ground effectively. Long runtime, multi-surface cleaning, and voice app control make it a smart pick for busy households. iRobot Roomba Q0120 Robot Vacuum. This Roomba uses power-lifting suction and a 3-stage cleaning system to lift dirt, dust, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. Its smart navigation cleans in neat rows rather than random paths, which improves efficiency. It's designed to be easy to use, with simple app controls and automatic self-charging. While it doesn't have advanced mapping or obstacle avoidance, it's reliable and consistent for everyday cleaning. It's intuitive, efficient, and ideal for homes with mixed flooring and pets. Shark UR2360S Ultra Robot Vacuum. This model brings premium features to the budget category. It includes matrix clean navigation, which uses a grid pattern for thorough coverage, and precision mapping to remember your home layout. The self-empty base holds debris for up to 30 days, and the HEPA filtration traps allergens. The self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair tangles, making it ideal for homes with pets. Advanced mapping, self-emptying, and pet-friendly design. Rare features at this price point make it a standout. From ultra-slim dust hunters to mop and vac multitaskers, these robot vacuums showed up and cleaned up without draining your wallet. We broke down what each one does best so you can find the right bot for your space and mess level. Check the description below for product links and best prices. And subscribe for more gear that actually earns its spot.